Did you know you can now swipe up or down in the camera app to open quick control instead of just switching cameras? With Android 16 and One UI 8.0, Samsung added a handy new gesture that lets you open quick controls more easily. No need to tap the quick control icon anymore. To do so, open camera app, tap the quick control icon at the bottom of the screen, then tap the settings icon, scroll down the screen. Under general section, tap swipe preview up or down to change it from switch camera to open quick controls. Go back to the camera preview. Now just swipe up or down to open the quick control panel instantly. In the past, you had to tap the quick control icon to open it. Now a simple swipe up or down does the same job even faster. It's another smart little improvement from Samsung One UI 8.0, smoother, simpler, and faster camera control. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.